Howdy, boys, girls, cats, and squirrels, SoCloseToToast. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Hopefully everybody is having a wonderful day, a great start to your week. I just want to thank all the lucky commenters that keep on commenting, letting me know of videos to check out, and specifically this one, which is Wolfgang vs. Rogue Wave at the SBX Camp Tag Team Battle. Get to watch some battles. I feel like we haven't watched a battle in a minute, so feel free to keep on submitting comments down below, videos for me to check out, as well as dropping those L's. If you're still enjoying, make sure to always come back each day because we are uploading non-stop. We ain't gonna stop, baby. Let's go.
Goes first. As I said before, you guys take the mic.
I like me some Wolfgang.
Reply instantly. Okay, guys. We got French champions in the house. Make some noise. This is gonna be crazy. I need you to count.
That's
3.
Skiller.
Beatbox.
This is gonna be good. This is gonna be really good. I feel like they're already doing what Wolfgang's doing. Oh! They're playing their game. I love when the crowd's into it, you know? Some of the SBX camp stuff, like the crowd's just like fixated, but now they're just vibing, they're just into it.
And that's time.
Woo! I feel like they pulled a page out of Wolfgang. Sounds like that song from way back. It's called like Streamline by Newton. Oh!
Time.
Nice. Oh man, we're going into it.
Switch.
The triple.
Watch your back. Hands up.
It's a good flow. It's a good flow.
You should watch your back. Time!
I like how there's no time in between. They're just going right into it. Oh, here we go.
We trying.
I'm not afraid of the big bad wolf. If I want the bass, I'ma squeeze that throat. To fill in the gap, I better sing that chord. I didn't even know that I could hit that. What? I'm not afraid of the big bad wolf. If I want a bass, I'ma squeeze that throat. To fill in the gap, I better sing that chord. I didn't even know that I could hear that note. Cause I'm for eating, meaning, miny, mo. I don't wanna be waiting anymore. Gonna release, I'm in an animal. Let me sing in a fifth, I'm in a random hole. Let me waiting for a lap time to smash that. My lifestyle is a video to a hashtag. My rap is fast, my flow's like it's out last. Like if I see the focus is lost, so I have.
Ah,
I got too many sounds in my backpack. I better yo, what you gonna do about it?
Oh shit. Guys, calm down.
It's a real fight.
Calm down. Jesus Christ.
See some blood. That's not Skiller, by the way. I thought it was.
Crazy battle. Come on. Say, woo, if you freaked out with this. Perfect.
Is it over? Okay, good. We still got more time.
Judges,
Wait, what?
you're gonna decide.
No.
I think you can do this. Okay? Yeah, there is one guy who like the X, yeah? X Factor and all these things, yeah? Okay. No. Okay, in 3.
Oh, it's a draw.
We go overtime. Wow.
More is
All right,
merrier.
guys. 2 seconds. Okay, they have to think. Let's leave them think a bit. I tell a joke? Okay. Did you ever, guys, went to a battle and 2 people just were talking about the rounds in the middle of the crowd? Me neither.
It's so bad, it's good.
In 3, 1, beatbox.
Mash up the bass, turn up the bass, so make a lot of fun. And we ablaze the fire, making fun. We mash up the bass, turn up the bass, so make some fire run. And we ablaze the fire, making fun.
Oh, smooth jazz! Flip it!
Can you do that? Listen. This is music.
Damn!
Wow. It really is music.
I love this,
Let's
like,
go, guys. You got it.
aggression.
And this is battle, my friend.
Oh!
time.
Shoot him with lasers.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on, round of applause for everybody. These guys are so strong. Oh la la. Okay, I gotta say, you guys know these guys weren't ready for these battles. They've been thinking in last minute because they decided I really need some love for them to put this effort in crazy battle. That was the closest battle we've seen all day.
Yay!
I would choose 4 of you, but the judges got the decision. So, judges, no overtime in this one, okay? I'm not gonna that's the Freddie Beats rule, yeah?
Imagine it just keeps going overtime.
In 3, 2, 1,
I think.
3, 4.
Oh, Wolfgang?
Wow.
Damn!
Crazy.
I thought Rogue Wave.
Takes it!
Damn!
I'm not afraid of the big bad wolf. If I wanna face, I'ma squeeze that rope. To fill in the gaps, I better sleep that cord. I didn't even know that I could hit
That moment was hot. I like that. Yeah, I thought Rogue Wave was gonna take that. I thought their overtime was way better, even though I like Wolfgang's flip of make it Bundem. Yeah, that means we get to watch more Wolfgang, which I'm a big fan of them. I like them a lot. I love how they can just have musicality, and they just seem like they're always having a good time. They're just nothing but smiles, even though if they're throwing shade or some passive-aggressive moves to the other teams, there's something very wholesome about it. So, yeah, I guess we get to check out Wolfgang's, whatever their next battle is, because this was a semifinal. So I'm looking forward to that. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know of other videos to check out for the future. Who did you think won this? Rogue Wave? Wolfgang? Let me know in the comments below as well. Drop an L if you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, shake 'em, and big 'em, big 'em, big 'em, big 'em, big 'em, big 'em.